Hello again. You're looking at a muffler off a Cub Cadet LT1018 riding mower. And as you can hear, the baffles on the inside are loose and they will drive you crazy. Those two smaller holes, I've enlarged them to just under 1/2 inch, and on the inside here, there's that baffle. Now what I'm going to try to do is to bring this baffle up against here and weld that hole solid. And so let me see if I can get this welded and I'll be back. But when this thing was at idle, terrible. So there's a muffler all welded, and as you can hear, no more rattle. How wonderful. So that was a pretty easy fix, and I see online they go for $60 to $90 or more depending on where you buy it. And so we'll see how this works and take it from there. Thanks again for watching my videos, and have a nice day.